Let me ask you a simple question. What do you think is the difference between YouTubers making 6 figures a year and those struggling to get monetized? Well, it's not talent, it's not luck, it's actually leverage. I can tell you that top creators are not working 10 times harder than you, they are just leveraging AI and also team members to be able to produce much more videos at a way higher quality as well. But right now you might be thinking, well, Vince, I don't really have the budget to hire team members for my YouTube channel, and that's totally valid. But you could be absolutely using some of the most up-to-date tools, which the top creators are also abusing right now to create way more videos that will perform better and blow up your channel. I discovered this truth the hard way after grinding on YouTube every single week for 2 years, but barely seeing any progress. And once I've discovered this, then I started quickly growing and I hit my first 100,000, then 200, then 300,000 subscribers in no time. And in this video, I'm going to show you my 5 favorite AI powered tools to make better videos and help blow up your channel. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Tool number 1 is OpenAI, which is your personal copywriting team. Now, since I've started using this tool, it helped me to take my average video scripting time from around 2 hours to 10 to 15 minutes, which is an insane difference. Now, my problem wasn't just that it was taking me a while to script these videos, but that they were also underperforming. My average retention graph looked like this, like a cliff. With OpenAI, I was able to fix that and just make much better videos in way less time. Here's exactly how I use it in my workflow. First, I train it on the best YouTube script writing material that is currently out there, so it's going to have the same capabilities as some of the best script writers at the moment. And then I train the AI on my exact style of speaking, so the end result that it's going to give me is going to sound just like if it was written by me. It's not going to use words that I would normally not use, and just overall not going to sound like a robot wrote it. And then I go out there and find some of the best performing and most value-packed videos in that specific topic that I'm making a video about, and I feed those into the AI so it will have full context and full knowledge of an expert in that specific field. And after that, it writes an entire YouTube script for me, implementing the best YouTube scripting frameworks and techniques with my exact way of speaking and word usage, with amazing content and value in the videos, no matter what the subject is. Now, after that, I just take that script, I put it into a Google Doc, put some finishing touches on it, and voila. And the funny thing is, I also wrote this video as well with OpenAI. Now, since using this tool, it has definitely given me around 100x, if not higher, return on my initial investment. And although that is a significant investment, it does require a bit more upfront commitment to get started with this tool. But from my opinion, it comes out to basically around $1 a day in the long term, and it's gonna save you hours a day, right? So if your time is worth more than at least $1 per hour, I think this tool is kind of a no-brainer. It's not only gonna save you a bunch of time, but get you better results as well. Now, if you wanna try out OpenAI, I also got a $25 discount for you guys, so I will leave the link in the description below for that with the code as well that you can use at checkout to save some money. Now, the second tool is Pikzels. This is thumbnail creation on steroids. We all know that thumbnails are super crucial for your video and the packaging as a whole, because you could have the best content in there, but if nobody clicks on your videos, it doesn't matter at all because you're not gonna get any views and results. In the past, I would spend around an hour or two on every single thumbnail in Photoshop and sometimes get pretty mediocre results, to be honest, at the end. Oftentimes, my click-through rate would be just a couple of percentage. But with Pikzels, it's very different because it's an AI software that is specifically made for just generating YouTube thumbnails. So unlike other more general image generators, this one is trained on hundreds of thousands of the best performing thumbnails of all time in all the different niches out there, so it can help you get high click-through rate thumbnails in a matter of just a few minutes. Now, it has a bunch of different features and can even help you to come up with titles, but some of my favorite features are the recreate feature, where you can basically take an already successful thumbnail from someone else and recreate it in a matter of a click, and even choose the inspiration weight in terms of how similar you want your thumbnail to be to the one that you input into the software. And it can also help you to generate thumbnails, again, in any topic from prompts alone as well. And the crazy thing is there are literally thousands of thumbnails already on YouTube with over 1 million views that were packaged completely by Pikzels AI. And because I found this tool so cool and I was recommending it to all my friends, I decided to reach out to the founder directly. And thanks to my pretty large social media following, he was actually open to give me a $1 trial link where you can try out the software for an entire month for only $1. And so yeah, I don't know how long that discount is going to last, to be honest, because it's an insane deal. But if you want to try that one, I'll leave the link also in the description below. Now, if you're finding this information insightful, then you might want to check out my private community creator Syndicate. This is a place where I first of all have an entire course around how I grew my YouTube channel from 0 to over 300,000 subscribers and managed to make a full-time living out of it. And also there, you get access instantly to over 50 hours of step-by-step exclusive training material from me. And also every single week I sit down with the group and you can ask questions directly from me on a group call setting. So if you're interested in that and you want to learn more about how you could not only grow your personal brand but also just master content creation as a whole, check out Creator Syndicate in the link below. Now the third tool is Submagic. This is in my opinion right now the best tool for creating short form videos from your long forms and also putting amazing looking captions on it. You can basically just go ahead and copy and paste one of your long form videos into it. It's gonna automatically find some of the most viral worthy moments in it and put captions on it that look like it was done by a professional editor. They have a bunch of different templates as well that you could be choosing from. You can put B-roll on it as well, sound effects, transitions, and music in the background, and get a bunch of short form clips that you can distribute across all the different social media platforms in just a couple of minutes. So we all know that short form content is one of the best ways to get more views and grow your accounts. However, you probably don't have the time to do them, or you just don't have the budget to pay an expensive editor to make you shorts. So if that is you, this could be a great solution. I'm also going to leave the link for this one below. Now the next tool is something you've probably heard about, but don't skip it just yet. It's ChatGPT, but I use it personally as my personal researcher. In the past, I would spend hours just to research a specific video that I wanted to make, but nowadays I can do it much faster thanks to AI. In the past, I had to read articles, watch competitor videos, listen to podcasts. Nowadays, AI can do all of that for me. So here is my exact process on how I use it. Instead of just giving it some general prompt, I ask it for specific advice. Here's an example of what I mean. Let's say I'm making a video about cryptocurrency. I will prompt it with, act as a cryptocurrency expert with 10 years of experience. What are the 5 most common mistakes beginners make when investing in crypto, and what are the technical reasons behind why these mistakes are costly? This approach is much more nuanced and detailed, and it's gonna give you much better answers. And also, I don't just take this at face value, I then use this information to do even more deep research on it. So ChatGPT actually has this function called deep research, and if you haven't tried it yet, then I would highly recommend it and get ready to be mind blown. You can even use it for competitive analysis. For example, I will input, analyze these YouTube titles and identify patterns in what's performing well in the cryptocurrency niche right now. And then I would paste in 10 to 15 titles from some of the best performing latest videos in that niche. It's really good at identifying patterns and trends and going to help you to come up with some of your next ideas as well. Now, software number 5 is Tubebuddy, and this is great for channel optimization. Creating great content is only half of the battle. You also need to optimize it so everybody can find it on YouTube and it's going to rank in the search bar. The reason why you need to learn how to rank on YouTube is because it's going to bring immeasurable growth to your channel. Here's, for example, one of my latest videos. It's currently at 2,800 views, which is nothing crazy. However, if you look at the graph of this video, that is a lot more impressive. As you can see, it looks like a banana, and this video is absolutely blowing up right now, simply because I knew how to rank in the search results. As you can see, that is how we are currently looking, and this video is probably going to go on to get hundreds of thousands of views in the future. So it is an amazing skill set to learn, and the great thing is Tubebuddy makes it way easier for you. It recommends you titles, tags, and you also get to see some cool insights on certain volume of searches for specific keywords. Another thing I really like about Tubebuddy is their A/B testing feature. It allows you to get much more granular with your A/B testing than YouTube's built-in one, and it can help you to revive an otherwise great video that just didn't perform as well because you couldn't nail the perfect title and thumbnail combination for the first try. Now, I do want to clarify for you that these tools are not going to make you successful overnight. You still need to create valuable content that resonates with your audience and aim to become 1% better every single day at content creation. The only thing that these tools are going to do is just make it easier for you to make good content and also just increase your effectiveness by a lot. Think about it this way: if an average content creator can produce one pretty good video every single week, and then on the other hand there is another creator who is leveraging AI and he can put out 3 great videos with amazing research behind it, amazing scripts, amazing thumbnails, and all around it's just a great package, well, the other creator who is using AI is not going to just win by 3x. They are not going to get 3 times more views. Realistically, they are going to get 20-30 times more views than the other person in most cases. So that is why it's essential for you to stay updated about the latest tools that you can use and really start using them to your advantage, because at the end of the day, it's not going to be just AI that will take your job or make your business unsuccessful. It's going to be other people who are leveraging AI against you. So if you don't want to miss out anything, subscribe to the channel. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video.